गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं हूँ आज मारवा स्टूडियोज पे और आप हमारे साथ हैं, हमारी ऑडियंस हमारे साथ है और मैं आज आपको दिखाऊंगी 17th ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल। तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि हम हैं 17 ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल नोएडा में और मैं हूँ श्वेता। तो सेकंड इवेंट की बारी आ गई है, सेकंड इवेंट का टाइम हो गया है। अपने सेकंड इवेंट में हम शोकेस करेंगे बायोपिक्स मेड ऑन वुमेन, इंडियन वुमेन अचीवर्स।
Some of the most prominent people of the Indian film industry were on the stage of this 17th Global Film Festival Noida 2024. My heartiest welcome to all of you to this particular session of the festival. We have convinced the President of Film Federation of India that this festival is one of the most vibrant festivals of the country. We have also convinced the President to the Indian Motion Picture Producer Association President, who was here on the stage, and he was amazed to see the arrangements and the kind of films we have been showing today in this campus.
Film industry is for dreamers, it's for innovators, it's for all those creative people who want to make a change in this world with an art of cinema. Very important. You need to love your art, what you are making. You need to believe in what you are creating and however you're going to make that change into the world. We are lucky and at the same time we are blessed that we've got this opportunity that through the art of cinema we can do and make a lot of impact. As sir mentioned that we have got this opportunity. So as filmmakers together, we feel that it is our responsibility to get good content and good inspirational stories into the industry so that we can make an impact together as a film fraternity.
Today I'm very honored to have this opportunity to speak before you all today, especially on a topic which is very close to my heart. That is the importance of biopic on women achievers. Should we make biopic on women achievers? Definitely yes. Because all the stories of women are the stories of power. So they deserve to be heard, celebrated and appreciated. So basically all these stories about women not only empower us but also they remind us the amount of strength it takes to change the world. So not only for women but for everyone who believe in the power of change. As we can see that nowadays women have excelled in every field, be it on sports, politics, arts, drama, everywhere they have excelled. So what I feel is women should be celebrated every day. Thank you.
Women not only now but historically also have done a great amount of things for us to make biopics on. And I think it's actually correctly on the filmmakers how authentically they transform things into biopics. And if it's not tacky, if it's not all gossipy, it could actually teach, educate and inspire the young generation so much, especially the young girls. I mean, it would be great if biopics are made on women achievers. Thank you so much.
We can actually empowerment the women in our society by make such biopics on our scientists, or there are a lot of leaders, there are a lot of athletes. So I think it is very necessary to have such biopics for women achiever. Thank you.
There's a huge scope of making films on women achievers. And I personally would suggest the students here to make something on a person like Sudha Murthy maybe.
দেবে আর নেবে মেলাবে মিলিবে এই ভারতের মহামানবের সাগর তীরে रविन्द्रनाथ ठाकुर। ये एक सागर किनारा है, इसलिए बहुत देश का एम्बेसडर आर्टिस्ट सब एक साथ मिलकर ये मेला सिनेमा। मैं पॉलिटिशियन हूँ, एक्टर, एम्बेसडर सभी एक साथ मिलने के लिए आया है। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखो भवेत्। सबका साथ मिलाने के लिए ये हमारा कल्चर है, यही हमारा सिनेमा है। अतीत में था, पास में जो था, अभी भी है, भविष्य रहेगा, इसलिए हम सब सनातनी हैं।
و تشکر میکنم از برگزار کنندگان این جلسه خیلی خوب. واقعا آقای دکتر سندیپ مروه برادر خوب من برای ما الهام بخش هست در فضای فرهنگ و هنر.
सबसे पहले मैं ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे भाई दोस्त डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा हमारे लिए इंडिया में पर्टिकुलरली मीडिया की फिल्म में एक सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन है.
شما خوب میدونید سینمای ایران از ابتدای شکلگیری خودش پیوند خورده با سینمای هند. اولین فیلم ایرانی به اسم دختر لور 91 سال پیش در استودیو امپریال مومبای فیلم برداری شد و ساخته شد.
आई होप कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जानते होंगे कि ईरान की पहली फिल्म का भी कनेक्शन इंडिया से है और ईरान की पहली मूवी 91 ईयर्स बिफोर 91 साल पहले इम्पीरियल स्टूडियो मुंबई में ईरान की पहली फिल्म दुख्तर लोर बनाई गई.
You have to believe in your work, you have to believe in yourself just to succeed. And this is a very important line, and I really share it with you. I just wanted to share with you that in the line of the film, our Vice Minister of Culture is a woman, and is a filmmaker and producer, Ariadne Benedetti. So she is a very powerful woman who is working right now just to improve the film sector of Panama, not only in the country, but also in the international sphere. This invitation came in a very right moment, Mr. Marwa, because a few days back we showcased a premiere of a Panamanian film produced and directed by a woman, Panamanian woman, in the Film Festival of Kolkata. So I'm so proud of her, of Miss Endara, who achieved this because her film was chosen by the committee to be filmed here, so far away from our country, in India.
Thank you very much to invite me to be here between you in this 17th Global Film Festival. It's every time pleasure to be in the activities of Marwa Studios. I am seeing that every time they have new things, new activity, films, outfits, show, and it's pleasure every time to be here. You know, this kind of activities make people very close. We are here from different country, different continent, different cultures, but we are all here in one room. What it means is this festival we make us, we regroup us here. I think it's very important about the film to make people close, to know each other, to exchange between us. For example, now they have one Indian team who is shooting film, a movie in Algeria. I think it's a big pleasure for me. It means they will be Indian who will go there, they will see my country and they will show it for the Indian people. Maybe the new generation, Indian generation, don't know a lot about my country, but our generation knew a lot about India through the Indians' movies.